Hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Abby. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make my seafood fried rice. I'll be showing you all the ingredients I used. You can add more ingredients, more seafood options. These are the ones I ate, and I'll be showing you the process as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't, like my video, share my video, and leave a comment down for me. Let's get right into the video.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need.
So I used basmati rice. It's been washed already, diced carrots, bell peppers, green peas, string beans, spring onions, sweet corn, chicken stock, seasoned prawns. I seasoned it with just chicken seasoning and salt. Seasoned egg fish, same seasoning. Boiled snails, cooking oil, or you can use butter, salt, chicken seasoning, use any seasoning of your choice, bay leaf, curry, and thyme. So the first thing I did was to add my chicken seasoning into a pot, and I'm just rinsing it out with water so nothing gets wasted. Then I'm adding curry and thyme. I'll just cover it and allow it to boil. Then another pan, I'll be adding my oil and I'll set that aside. So this is me just pouring my washed basmati rice into the boiling stock, and I tasted it and realized the seasoning wasn't enough, so I added a little bit of salt and chicken seasoning. Then I added my bay leaf and I covered it and allowed it to boil. So here I'm just frying my snails. If you don't like it fried, you can put it in the grill, but I feel like when you put it in the grill it makes it very tough. I like my snail really soft, so yes. So I'm just frying it up, and I also went ahead to fry my egg fish and my seasoned prawns as well. After doing that, I shredded them, or I cut them into little bite sizes off camera. This is me checking up on my rice. It's almost ready. As you can see, it still looks very tough. So all I do is when it gets to this point, I don't add any more water. I just cover it and put the heat to the lowest and allow this thing to cook it through properly. You'll see it to double up in size. Here it is ready. And please, once your rice is ready, I don't like to cover mine. I don't know how other people do theirs, but I don't like to cover mine. I just leave it open and I use a fork or a spoon to like fluff it up. So in the same pan where I fried all my proteins, I'm going to be using the same oil to fry my vegetables as well. It has a lot of flavors, so it's going to give your vegetables more flavor. So this is me just adding my carrots, my string beans, and my green peas because they're the toughest. So I'm stir frying that first, and I'm stir frying in a high heat. Then I'm adding my bell peppers to it. If you have the yellow one as well, you can add it to it, but because I'll be using sweet corn, which is yellow, I always don't buy yellow bell peppers. So here I just added my sweet corn, and I'll be stir frying as well on high heat. Please always stir fry on high heat. If you stir fry on low heat, it's going to boil instead of fry. Please guys, always season your vegetables. Please do not skip this step. Always season your vegetables. You don't want the rice to be tasty and your vegetables bland, so season it with your seasoning of choice. Me, I just like mine simple. As you guys know, easy, simple cooking. I added just chicken seasoning, salt, curry, and thyme. Then I went in to add, then I'll be adding my proteins, my shredded or diced snails, prawns, and eggfish. If you have more seafood option, please add it into it at this time. So this is me just stirring it together, and I'm still stir frying on high heat. Please do not lower the heat unless you're going to boil everything. So I don't know what happened to the part where I started stir frying my rice and my vegetables together. I think it got deleted by mistake, but if I had a bigger pan, wider pan, I would have used it. So that's the best for fried rice, to stir fry fried rice. So I'm using my big pot here, non-stick pot on high heat. I added rice into the pot and added some of the vegetables and just stir fried it. I added my spring onions last and stir fried as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. I hope you give it a thumbs up. Please leave your comments down below. Let me know the type of videos you would like to see. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.